In Baltimore Station North, Guilford Hall Brewery brings a European-inspired dining experience to a storied setting. Welcome to a place where tradition is brewed every single day. Inside this restored 1898 crown cork and seal factory, we've reimagined a European-style dining experience with handcrafted lagers and ales rooted in Bavarian brewing traditions. Welcome to our beer garden, where open skies and refreshing brews create the perfect atmosphere for any gathering. Our open concept Crown Hall hosts up to 300 guests, making it the perfect backdrop for any celebration, from weddings to corporate gatherings. Unwind in our Whiskey and Cigar Lounge, a place for private parties or casual nights offering high-end cigars, hookah, and top-shelf whiskeys. Or elevate your evening in our VIP private dining room, a dramatic yet intimate space for watch parties or exclusive dinners. Located just steps away from local landmarks, Guilford Hall Brewery is more than just a venue. It's a neighborhood landmark and a gathering place. Join us at Guilford Hall Brewery, where every visit is a celebration of heritage, community, and new memories.